You wanna do something nasty? Hit it!
Mer och mer vågar följa vattenotryck.
So we got some more stuff here for the Mustang. It's a pair of headers and it's a cooling fan because the old one was cracked because the plastic was it was old. These were really cheap and as you all know, cheap isn't always good. So but I hope they're okay. I don't know, but for the price and the way they looked pretty similar to the ones that LMR offers. I can't remember the name on them, but the look of them was pretty much identical, but the price was more than half of the price of the ones at LMR. So here they are. I think they look pretty good. I'm gonna check the other one as well. So these were, I think I paid $113 or $112 for the pair, which is crazy cheap for a pair of headers, I think. And you got bolts. And this was really cheap. I think it was like $35 or something like that. Some kind of adapter plate. Alright, so that's the old one. As you can see there, it was cracked here. It's cracked on multiple places. So I just it didn't seem like a good idea to keep it. I mean, $35 for a new one. On the 91 Mustang, we have put a new generator. We have deleted a smog pump, replaced it with a wheel. I don't know if you can see. So there's the new wheel for where the smog pump was. New alternator. Here's the old radiator. We just pulled it out. And it wasn't leaking or anything like that, but as you can see, it's a bit rusty, and the water inside wasn't the cleanest one, and so it's probably a bit rusty inside as well. Anyway, here's the new radiator. I got it off eBay for $115. It's really good for that kind of money. So hopefully it'll fall in place, and we'll see. Maybe not. I just wanted to show you the thermostat housing Hope you can see it. So, hold up. Yeah, it's kind of not in such a good shape. It's the original one. I'm gonna try to clean it up and change out the thermostat. So hopefully it's, and this stuff. We'll see if I can manage to get it off. Here's a little update on the radiator. As you can see, I made 2 like height extensions for the radiator, cause it's a bit lower than the original one, so the radiator support clamps that clamp over here, they were like, it was really wobbly, so I made 2 of these in stainless steel. Take the camera off so you can check it out. So that's the left side, or the passenger side, and this is the driver's side. New water pump versus the old water pump. Looks way better than this one. Kinda rusted out. And yeah, pretty corroded around this area. So that'll be good with this one. Here's how it looks right now. New sensor housing for the, I think it's the heater control. Yeah. So that's it, and hopefully I'm gonna put the new starter in tomorrow. Little update today. My buddies Ragnar and Marcus was here and to help me out. Ragnar was the one who helped out. Marcus was drinking beer and talking shit. But Ragnar did a hell of a job assembling the new water pump, sitting purdy, and new thermostat housing. What else we got here? New power steering pump, and we put the air filter box back on as well. The air filter, and oh yeah, the smog pump has been deleted. That's the main reason why I started building a new exhaust for this car as well. So new headers, new spark plugs, and I watched KSL Customs video the other day when he was restoring the 5.0 plate on the intake on the car. So mine looks really sad, so I'm gonna do what he did and try to restore this. Can't look any worse than this, I think. It's really sad. And here's some information about mine. It's stamped 91 on mine, and mine is 91, so I don't know about his theory. I don't know if it was his theory, but maybe they just grabbed what plate they had, and maybe some were left from the year before and they used those, and I don't know, probably something like that. Yeah, but mine is a 91 and the plate says 91. Yeah, so not too far off now. In with the radiator, the fan, and what else? We put on the smoke pump delete plugs that I made off the original smoke pump. pipes. Gonna plug off some more smoke pump stuff. I bought some plugs for it. And then in with the radiator, the rest of the hoses, and yeah, and this plate. And I think once I'm done with the exhausts, I think it's good to go. Hopefully, we'll see. That's the intention, and we're gonna take it from there. I got some more stuff that I'm gonna do. New headlights. I ordered those a while back. What else? Yeah, center console with cup holders instead of the original one. I'm gonna paint that one. I bought paint for it, so it's hopefully gonna match the interior. Yeah, I mean, yeah, and new stereos. I got a new stereo for the car. So yeah, that's it for now. Stay tuned for when I kind of start this baby up. But yeah, gonna do the exhaust first. It's almost done. Alright, stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.